What's the meaning of ambience? Ambience. 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 Ambience.
Ambience refers to the character or atmosphere of a place, often created by its surroundings, architecture, and people. It describes the overall feeling or mood evoked by a particular environment, such as a room, city, or natural setting. This includes sensory elements such as sounds, smells, and visual cues. Ambience can greatly influence how people experience and interact with a space, and is often intentionally designed or manipulated to elicit a particular emotional response from those who inhabit it.